Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your profile picture private in Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook app. Now go to your profile page by clicking on the profile picture in the left hand side of your screen. Scroll down your screen. And here you can see the updated post of your profile picture. Now, in order to make it private, click on the 3 horizontal dots available in the post. Click on Edit Privacy option. Then select the option that says Only Me. Now go back. And that is how you can make your profile picture private in Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.